Hi guys and girls out there. So God is great, and still been having non-stop earthquakes, magnitude between 5 to 7.6, even this morning. So it's been shaking all night, but it's actually earthquakes all across Japan. From the top to the bottom, each area's got like anywhere from magnitude 1 up to magnitude 7. Had tsunamis all night, all morning, so it's been pretty wild. And pretty much channels are just talking about the earthquake, so all the other news is pretty much non-existent right now. Shows, so all the shows that show the exciting New Year's has been pretty much canceled. So, but what can you do? Hoping everybody has a great day, and just keep on praying. One area, over 100 houses burned, and a lot of buildings, even 7-story buildings, flipped over. Temples are gone. I mean, everything's just totaled. But luckily, where I'm at is still roughly okay. The whole freeway's cracked. It's been pretty bad. And like I said, non-stop, every 10-15 minutes, another earthquake, another earthquake. You'd figure there would be aftershocks, but I mean, these are just earthquakes, landslides, and things like that. So, the whole road completely gone. 2-story house, nothing left. It's pretty wild, like I said. All right, well, God is great. Just keep everybody in your prayers. Thanks, and I'm out.